everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today in this video we are going to be showing you guys how we edit our thumbnails. So we are going to be showing you guys every step we do to edit our thumbnails, and without any further ado, let's get started with the video. But before that, you have to make sure that you are following us on our Instagram, which is at it's Viva Twins. And yes, let's get started with the step is that how we take our photos on our own. So what we do is in Viva videos, we take the photos according to the background. First we choose the background, and then we place our DIYs and just do a full-on setup. And we take our videos from we take our photos from our camera. So when we have to take the thumbnail of our videos, when we are sitting down and filming these kind of videos, what we do is to connect our camera with our phone, and then we just pose and stuff like that and take our own pictures. So after we are done taking our pictures, we have to edit them, and we'll show you guys how we edit them. So yes, so first things first we do is to import our pictures from our camera to our phone, and for that purpose we use an app called Canon Connect, which is Canon's official app. And it's not sponsored at all, but still we use that app because it's the easiest way to import the pictures from your camera to your phone without any wire or anything like that. So yes, first thing first we do that, and then we import our pictures which we want to edit in our thumbnail into an app called Lightroom, and I'm going to show you guys how we do that. So now what we do is to import our pictures which we want in our thumbnail to an app called Lightroom, which is very easy. So Lightroom is basically an app in which you apply presets and you make adjustments to a picture, and yes, it makes it very professional and very good looking. So yes, now we have to go to the app called Lightroom, and you guys can see there are lots of images which we took for our thumbnail, and I have to just click them and it will open a section of editing. So now I'm gonna go to the presets because it has all of the presets we have made, and this is a preset called a cherry. And yes, cherry blossom is basically what we use, and I have made 2 more of the same preset and have done a little bit adjustments to the same preset. So this preset is made by us because we really like colorful things, and we really wanted to make pink pop up. So this is a cherry kind of filter, and you can use any kind of preset you want. You can buy one, you can make your own, and that is how this app works. So yes. So now that I am satisfied with how my image look, I'm just gonna go ahead and just save it. So for that purpose I have to go to share and save to device. So yes, it will take a while, and then your picture will be exported to your pictures. So yes, and now you guys can see I'm gonna apply the same thing everywhere which we like. Yes, I like this one, and I'm gonna just share it to my device. So what you have to do is to do the same thing on every single picture you want. So yes, you have to apply the preset on every single one if you want to make a collage, and if you don't, then just take a single picture and apply the filter on that. So we apply the same preset on every single thumbnail, and we make, because it just makes a sequence and it just looks nice. And yes, you have to do the same. Okay, so next thing what you have to do is to go to the app called Picsart in order to make the collage. If you don't have to make the collage, you can simply skip this step. So yes, we are going to this application called Picsart, and what you have to do is click the plus option that is coming at the bottom side and go to the grids and collages option. So click it out, and then you guys can see your pictures. So just select the 3 things that you want to make the collage of, and they'll say buy Picsart Gold, but we don't want it, so we'll cross that thing. So yes, and so if you don't know, the YouTube ratio is 16.9. So yes, you have to go and select the ratio 16.9, or there is an option of YouTube, so you can go and click that option too. It's literally the same thing. So next you have to select which layout you want. So yes, I'm just liking this layout. You just have to long press and you can just move the picture. And yes, you guys can see how we are moving the pictures. So yes, so what you have to do is to just adjust every single thing and see what you like the best, and yes, then just save it to. So I'm clicking that arrow option that is coming on to the top right corner. So yeah, so we save a lot of options that we like so that you can like actually see and go through all of them and select one of them which you like the most. So yes, this is what we do. So next you have to like save the picture to your gallery, and after you're done you have to like simply add the fonts onto the picture. So yes. So now I'm gonna go to the app called Fonto, because this is the app we usually use to add fonts, because it has variety of fonts, and also you guys can import some fonts into this app and it will be perfect for you. So now I'm gonna just like load image, and I have like opened the folder of PicSots because it is like a little bit more easier to find the pictures rather than scrolling all of your gallery and finding the thumbnails. So yes, that is a really easy option. So I'm gonna select this one because this is the one we chose. So now I'm gonna go and type in the text, which is winter DIY winter room decor, just like winter room decor. So yes, now we are just going to go ahead and go to the font. Of course, they have a lots and lots of fonts, and we have also added some fonts, and they have also all sorts of fonts. And yes, I'm gonna go ahead, and so you have to like choose what font you want, like whether you want a plain one or a really nice and bright. And so really we are using this medium italic font for this particular thumbnail. So yes, now I am just going to increase the size a bit because I want to. So if you want your font to be a little more colorful, you have to go to style and you will have that option. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add some kind of strokes to it. I think this color is good. I am liking how it looks. So yes, probably I'm gonna keep it like this. And yes, that is probably it for the video, and I'm gonna just save it. So I'm gonna just like save it, and it is saved. So now if you want to add a little bit stars here and there, which we did earlier in our thumbnails, so you have to go to the app called Pixar again and insert some stickers there. So it's really important to make your thumbnails really nice and good in order to get like views and in order to attract some kind of audience, because if you have really dull and a low kind of thumbnails, the audience will not get attracted, and that will be really bad for you guys. So just make sure that your thumbnails are really bright and nice, and you use one preset on all of your thumbnails. Yes, and the thing is that just use the font that you think looks best on your videos. Yes. And just use some kind of bigger fonts rather than small ones, because they cannot like, people will not be able to see them. So just use some bigger kind of fonts. So if you guys want us to tell you guys what fonts we used in our previous thumbnail, we used like Shorelines. If that is the font we used, I'm gonna just like tell you guys what font I used. I used Beauty and the Beast and Avocado Creamy, and I also use Fall and Autumn regular, and I have also used another font called Keep on Truckin' too. Yes, and Watercolor Demo. Yes. So yes, these are the fonts that we usually use, and if you want us to make a video on how we edit our videos, that will be coming really soon. So yes, stay tuned for that. And I hope you guys like the video. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you guys later in our next video. Till then, peace out. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because why not?